2 feet of snow. I better go tell Michael.
Come in.
Hey Michael, did you see the weather report?
No, I didn't. What's going on?
There's gonna be 2 feet of snow. You know what to do.
I'm on it. Just salting the driveway.
Shabbat Shalom. We hope you're having a wonderful week and look forward to seeing you on Shabbat. If the weather really makes it unsafe for you to travel, then don't join us. But if you can, services are at 6:15. We'll have a simple Shabbat supper at 5:15 beforehand.
We hope you can join us this Shabbat morning at 9:30 a.m. We will have a special speaker, Rabbis Lerner, and I had a chance to speak with him earlier in the week.
Hi, I'm Rabbis Lerner from Paris. I'm Hans Miller's father. I've been asked by Rabbi Lerner to speak next Saturday about the situation of Jews in Western Europe, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.
We'll close off Shabbat at 4:45, where we will gather together for Mincha, learning, Mariv, and of course, Havdalah.
Hey Maddie, can I get a ride?
Yeah, sure, no problem. Do you want to put that in the trunk?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Purim Carnival!
Hey Leah, what are you doing on February 10th?
Purim Carnival. Yo, my name is Zach Zola. Hit me in the face. Be at the Purim Carnival or you're a disgrace. Nice shot, kid. Purim Carnival.
After the fun of the Purim Carnival on Sunday evening, we hope you'll join us for the Brotherhood Man of the Year dinner, where we'll be honoring Ken Bruss. Shabbat Shalom.
Shabbat Shalom.